What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be making a video on how running tracks are installed, because that's what I do for work, and I don't know, I figured it'd be a good video to make, just, cover the whole process of how it's done, because it's kind of pretty cool, I think. But yeah, so basically your track will start out like this, you see, and it'll be a pave, just asphalt, and then we roll this tack over it. It's really sticky, smelly stuff. It's really bad for you, you see? And that's what gets the rubber to stick to the track. And then we will pave it with a paver over there with rubber through it on top of the asphalt. Yeah, I'll show you, each process as we go. But yeah, for now, I'm just freaking rolling, hand rolling. It's a good sized track. All right, I'm gonna hurry up and put my phone away before I get in trouble. That's what it looks like with no tack. Sorry, no tack. See the difference? Yeah. My bags were in Detroit right now still, so I had to protect the NMDs at all costs because I don't have my shoes with me. Or clothes. These are the machines we use to put the rubber in, to take it out there and dump it in the paver. So for the rubber, we mix it with this chemical and the rubber and the mixer, and then it goes out on the track.
Quick. Really quick. No. He's got like a 14-foot fucking big bud. What? Yeah.
So YouTube, man, come on now.
So once we pave it, we trowel it and bowl float it with that to smooth it out, make the edges straight and nice and flat. But that's how it looks. Hey guys, so this is what the rubber looks like when it's laid down. After the tack goes down, we've paved that, and we're gonna start paving the rest of this track now. Today. Okay, boys, so this was supposed to be a nice video on how tracks are made. However, oh god, that's good. I was tired of getting treated like shit, so I quit. Long story short, yeah, so I won't be showing you the best of that track getting done. I will show you with the new company I'm with, properly. It'll be a nice video. I'll make one in a few weeks. But yeah, I was really just kind of getting shit on every day for like the last few months. And it's kind of like not sure why. And then I found out exactly why. And then I just got blamed for some stuff for no reason. And I was just fed up. So, simple as that. I quit. And, yeah. Got a new job with a new company. Another track company. So, I'll show you guys some videos. Don't worry. Some videos will be coming soon on that. But, yeah, that'll be the end of this video. Sorry to disappoint you. I swear it wasn't clickbait. It was just a plot twist. See ya.